we at? I really, yeah, throw that back. Throw that back. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Are y'all ready?
Let's get it. Oh, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Hey, we don't know where we going. I just went through the grass. This man Cam a nut. We got two Cams now. I'm on the slow bike. They're on the 1000s. He's out there vibing. Becca's always vibing. I don't know what we're doing. We're just riding. Big vibe. Oh my gosh, I just got smacked with a big bug. Hey! How's everybody's day going? Oh, something's on my nose. It itches. Ah, he does what I used to do. Woo! I'm surprised my mic hasn't went out. Okay. I burped. I was gonna say I have to burp, and then I burped. What the heck is this? Yeah, I want to fill up. No, I don't want your car. What am I gonna do in a car wash? Oh wait, I need a bang. Go ham, hit credit. I really hope they have bang. Oh, that's full. There we go. Oh wait, how do I do this? It's a weird angle. Oh, this joint's so nice. It has a little swivel thing. How thoughtful. Oh shoot, it's like. You didn't see that. Don't tell Becca that. Oh shoot, I'm stuck. There's so much going on. Oh, you know the vibes. We pouring a little bit for the boys. Let's get it.
Yeah, I think it's funny cause you thought you could replace me. I just got a check making music in the basement. Yeah, she kinda cute, but I'm in love with the blue faces. Don't ever try to play me all the time.
Oh! Bang! Oh wait, is that a sport bike? Yeah! Oh my gosh, he's out! Oh my god! Wait for me! Oh, there's so much weirdness going on! I love it! No respect? No respect? It's cool. This video is gonna be pure nothing but me screaming. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to talk. I'm just having a ball. Bringing you guys along for the trip. Ride it up!
Don't ever try to play me all the time.
Oh my god.
I don't give a fuck about your last man, huh? Wait, fuck, damn, I'm her last man, huh? Then I don't give a fuck about your next guy, huh? Wait, fuck, damn, I went back, I'm dumb. Counting up my money like they count it like a nerd. Trying to build a word and secret like I'm Phineas and Ferb. Thanks for taking my heart, now I can never get hurt. High five to my face, that was good teamwork.
Oh wow, that's a big parking lot. You think this guy wants a race?
Yo, how the fuck do I put on that radio almost?
Huh? The radio? I don't know. I don't know this. Just start hitting buttons. Ah! Oh, there's too much hype. Look at the horses! Let's get some waves. Hello? Hey! Are we going on the highway? I am slow! Yay, we're not. Oh, let's call Josh. Hello? Hey. Look, the hype is real, bro. The hype is real. I have a code red. The hype is real. You need to... I'm watching the road. This is a code red. Blue 42, Hardee's Burger King. We have a code red. There's just too much hype. I don't know what is the world gonna do? Two cams, too much hype. Two cams, two bangs. So we have an issue. We have an issue. This is not okay. I'm not looking at you. I'm looking in your general direction. Don't worry about where my eyes are. I can do both. I'm a multitasker. Wait. You gotta look. You gotta look on camera. It's Blondie. Well, we're like really close to crashing, but she's trying to say hi. We were really close to crashing. It's okay, we're like semi-trained professionals. He's literally going like this. There's protesters, there's so much going on. Ah! Oh, that's a cop. I was just gonna do a wheelie, dude. I was 100% gonna do a wheelie. Oh my gosh. Oh, did you? Ah! Oh my gosh. I was gonna do a wheelie. I love you. Ah, bye. Okay, that went well. Ah! Why is he staring at her? Hello? Thick old smiles. Oh, we gotta go right. Dude, I can't believe I almost did a wheelie in front of that cop. If you watch me slowly, I did the motion. I was going for it. And then I saw a vest. Thanks, minivan, for not turning out in front of me and killing me. Not a big deal or anything, but still, thank you. I appreciate the small things.
Living my life through the dash. Going too fast, I might crash. Got a white girl and she love to do her lines. Young Puerto Rican, bout my green, forget the lime. No Justin Timberlake, but I think my arm is out of time. She thought I love her, did you forget to read the fine print? I was so high in my head.
It's too much, I tell you, it's too much.
She thought I love her, did you forget to read the fine print?
The bang is kicking in, baby. Kim, it's okay, I'm not gonna, you're okay. I know what I'm doing, kinda. Dude, what the hell is going on in my brain? Are y'all ready for the hype? I don't think you're ready for the hype.
Yeah, I think it's funny cause you thought you could replace me. I just got a check making music in the bay. It's funny cause you thought you could replace me. I just got a check making.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, she kinda cute, but I'm in love with the blue faces.
Okay. How's everyone's day going? I'm a little bit comfortable up here. I think I'm getting this balance point down. I think we're getting it down, baby. Should we go around the corner? They can't see my headlights. I got scared.
I just got a check making music in the basement. Yeah, she kinda
turn it on! Turn it on! Oh, it's time!
Play me on time to be wasting. I don't give a fuck about your last man, huh? Wait, fuck, damn, I'm her last man, huh? Then I don't give a fuck about your next guy, huh? Wait, fuck, damn, I went back, I'm dumb.
She said it's time.
Bread like a baker. They think I bought hard, but they don't know about my fader. Phone going off, yeah, I found another hater. 24K on my neck like a Laker. I got colors round my neck, diamonds different flavors. You could taste the rainbow. If you don't like me, baby, you can just say so. Thought she was an angel, she was dancing with a halo, counting up a bankroll. Yeah, I think it's funny.
Thing's powerful as crap. Let's go, Cam. Ah! Superwoman! Superman! Superman, son brother! Oh my gosh, I'm getting hot. I just mixed two words. I'm getting hype. Wait, no, I'm getting hot. There's too much hype going on. I have a bad endurance. Woo! I'm hot. Yeah, whatever. You're not. The hype gets me hot.
No, she was an angel, she was dancing with a halo, counting up a bankroll. Yeah, I think it's funny cause you thought you could replace me. I just got it.
Oh my gosh. He looked at me like he had the biggest smile on his face. I was really stirring the pot. No ramen noodles, all pasta, bro. He was 100% right. He was like, dude, you're gonna get hot in a hoodie. And I was like, nah, dude, I'm wearing a hoodie. I got my back protector on. I was like, dude, I'll be straight. I'm hot now. Is that a half pipe? He's throwing it back. Oh my gosh, Cam is wild, yo. Bro, there's too much hype, bro. There's too much hype. I've never had that much hype with some. Bro, wait till you watch this video.
Your cheeks hurt so much because all I am is
Your butt cheeks or your cheeks?
my cheeks hurt.
Your cheeks? You get them new cheeks!
It's closed.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Please go through it.
Do it. Yo, take my helmet with you. I don't care.
I just got a check making music in the basement. Yeah, she kinda cute, but I'm in love with the blue faces. Don't ever try to play me, I have time to be wasting. I don't I'ma